Tools are becoming an important part of every business. In the case of SLOROS, the main tool of the business is the database, which it maintains and improves over time. So now I'm going to show you how it works in practice. It will just take a few minutes. So one of the main tools, so the database gives SLOROS ability to work in five different places. So first of all is the price list, automatical. So second is the automatical offers. Third is the product samplings. Fourth is the SLOROS website. And the fifth is the warehouse operations there. And these five key factors are automatically linked to the SLOROS database. Now I'm going to show you from first one to the last one. So here we go with the price list. The price list is divided into four different columns. But this is all made automatically by the content manager. Only includes the purchasing price in the system, and the system automatically calculates different columns by itself. Furthermore, because the product contains much more information inside, like the color, like packing, material, delivery dates, all this information is available right from the price list. So here I can see that the dowel is packed by 2,000 pieces. Material is steel. Here's also the link to the web page. Right from the price list, a client or a manager can go to the web page and see the product itself. Much more information is available, obviously, on the website, including some technical information, which is always useful for the client. Automatically, prices are synced with the website. So whenever you make an order online, these will be actual prices for which are synced on daily basis, because euro-ruble exchange rate changes obviously every day. So again, going back to the price list, Russia is quite a big country. There is 9 different time zones. New York is closer to Moscow than Vladivostok, let's say, and it was quite a challenge to make the price list, let's say, on DDP terms, which means delivery to door, priced just at the click of your mouse. So SLOROS has divided Russia into 3 big regions. First is European, second is Ural and Siberia region, and third is Far East. And obviously for every region, the price list is available with delivery, and if the order is more than 500 euros, the shipment is shipped directly to the door of the client. So this has improved the competitiveness of SLOROS a lot. Many smaller clients now buy from SLOROS because of the delivery and because of how fast SLOROS can give the offers and deliver the products. So going from offers, it's also very important part is the from price list going to the offers. So SLOROS has made quite a big work in terms of creating new offers and how fast it's produced. So here, let's say, is a list of all the offers which was made in, let's say, in the past few days. Obviously, here's the client, here's the name of the manager, and the offer is made similar to how the invoice is made. So basically, we just add the items, we just add the column of the price list which we want to use, and here we can see it. Here's the dowel 9652. The price by this column is 83.81. And going back to the price list, I can see that yes, it's right here. The price was automatically synced with this column. By printing, sending it to a print form, which is in PDF file, it looks like this. So obviously, from the offer, which we just add the items and the price, we get a nice document which looks like this. Here is the QR code which goes to the web page for this item on sloros.ru, which is very useful for the client. Again, this improves the traffic and this improves the positioning of SLOROS website in the search engines. All of this information is automatically added from the product card. And here is an interesting feature which SLOROS added not so long time ago, is the price in rubles for this date, 15th of October, which is automatically calculated. So obviously the rate of ruble is changing every day, and sometimes the jumps are pretty high. So the client always wants to know how much it costs in rubles in this particular day. Let's say here, the rate on 15th of October was 90 rubles, 0.7 whatever, for €1. So SLOROS wants to give much more effective, in giving the information to the client, and obviously the offer is very important part of that. By this instrument, SLOROS is able to create a lot of offers per day, and sometimes there is the synergy that, let's say, another manager sees that the offer has been made to another client, which he's not responsible for, and he looks through it, he browses through, and he makes a similar one for his own client. So it's always a synergy, and it's always nice for different managers and clients. Then the third part of the instrument is the product sampling. A very interesting, a smaller feature which SLOROS has made is the printing labels for samples, and here how it looks. Again, this is the same item number. There's the same QR code. By scanning the phone, you go directly to the web page and you see it much more in detail there. Obviously, on every bag with the sample of this item, SLOROS prints a paper like this. It's written who has printed it, the date of printing, some meta information like color and material, and some more information from the card of the product itself. Furthermore, we go, let's say, going back to the web page, which is an important part of SLOROS. Let's say here's the card of the product of the dowel, but here, for example, is the category of dowels, and you can see there are quite a lot of filters here. Let's say I can filter all these dowels by material. Let's say I can say zamak, or I can say, let's say, steel here, and all the products which are made from steel can be shown. Again, this is a automatic synchronization from the database of SLOROS. So, for example, whatever is written in the characteristics of the product, it's automatically added on the website as a filter, which is very useful obviously for clients for browsing through the website and for finding the product that they need. A lot more synchronization between the web page and the database is quite important, because like orders from the online store are automatically added to the order book of database, which is also very useful. And yeah, and there's quite a lot of features which are yet to be added in the system, which will furthermore improve the competitiveness and the effectiveness of SLOROS web page. And also an important part of the database of SLOROS is the integration of the freight partner, which SLOROS has made a few weeks ago, completed it a few weeks ago. Now it's quite a proud thing. SLOROS has now ordering all the freights right directly from its database, and what that allows the manager, what it allows the company is to send an automatic notification to the clients whenever the shipment has left the building from SLOROS. And for example, here a guy has ordered 2 types of undermount slides, and here's his contact information, obviously. And very important is that here automatically a tracking number is added to the notification, and the button for tracking button. So you can just, whenever you get this email, you just press the track and you go directly to the freight partner, and the information for the tracking is available on his web page, which is actually very nice. SLOROS is the only company in Russia to incorporate this into its database and to let the client know straight away that the product has been shipped and it's on its way to the client. Much more important. I was very short here. There is much more interesting stuff actually, which is linked to the database, and it's very helpful to have a good database in many different, for many different reasons. The 5 reasons which I talked about today is just a tip of the iceberg. Price list, offer, product sampling, web page, and warehouse operations is just a small part of the big picture, which I can talk through a lot. And actually every different instrument deserves its own hour of talking about, which I can talk about it if anyone is interested, or anyone contacts me directly. I will be happy to share it. So thanks.